Hey guys, it's Random Tutorials here, and today we're showing you how to make like a substance with Play-Doh. But what's also so cool about it is you can make it into an ornament shape, then cook it in the oven and hang it up. You can also paint it, and it will become hard and it will become exactly like an ornament. Okay, so the first things what you're going to want to get is a cutting board or just a clean flat surface. So you'll also need a bowl for mixing, and you'll need 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of salt, right? Oh, sorry, half a cup of salt, and then half a cup of water. Okay, so the first thing we're going to want to do is you're going to want to pour in your flour, okay? So pour in your flour. The next thing we are going to want to do is you're going to want to add in your salt. Now, these are all your dry ingredients. So from here, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to mix them all up. So you want to mix your dry ingredients up first, just to get it like a mixture. So they're all like they're one squishy thing. They're not like separated different textures and different chunks. So again, just stir all this up and get it nice and stirred. Can you add food coloring to this?
You can, but once it cooks, it's not very colorful.
Okay. So, like my mom just said, you can add food coloring to this, but once it's cooked, it's not very colorful.
So you paint it when it's dry.
Yeah. Even though that, so once you've done this, it's optional to add some food coloring to your water. So I'm going to add a lot of blue food coloring in my water, okay? Just do that. Keep on putting a whole bunch in there. And so, now stir that water up with the food coloring. From here, you're going to just simply add your water, okay? Once you've done that, you want to stir it, okay? So once you've stirred it, you'll get a very weird, hard to stir, sticky substance, okay? And yeah, like I said, it's going to be sticky. So, you want to really mix it if you added food coloring. So I'm just going to put a little more food coloring in there to mix it all up to get the flour. Now, again, if you see how it's coloring the flour is kind of dulling the color of this. So really, we're just going to mix this. Sorry about all the background noise. I don't usually do videos at this time. Okay. So, from here, if you notice, it's all this kind of not one substance. So if you notice, it's not very dry. I mean, it's not one big substance. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to add another half cup of, a little bit more water, okay? So just add a little bit more water at a time till you get to your dough-like substance. I'm just going to add a little more, and then I'm putting that away, because you don't want this dough too watery or too sticky. You just want it like a dough substance. Now, when we get to our kneading process, what this will do is it will bring it together, and kneading is just squishing it. This will bring it together. So now we're going to want to kind of stir like this, a little more hard. And yeah, so we have a really thick, nice color of dough, and it's like a turquoise thing. So we're here. So now what you want to do is you want to take out all of this dough. Take out all this dough, okay? So once you've taken out all of your dough, you want to make sure that it's set off to the side a little, because when we knead it, we want just flour there. So don't like drop it on there. So try and get out as much as you can from your spoon. Okay, guys. Now make sure there's no extra dark chunks. Okay. From here, you're going to want to take any amount of flour, okay? Just about a handful right now. And you're going to want to spread it out on your cutting board. You can do 2. I think you should start with 2. Okay? Sorry about that. Now take your spoon out, because you don't want to need your spoon to a ball of metal. I'm just kidding. So, now, first you're just going to dip it in that dough, okay? Get that all up and dip it in your dough. What you're going to do, you're going to press down like this, okay? Now this is definitely, if it was sticky, this is definitely getting on your hands. This is definitely going to get on your hands. So what you want to do is you should add flour to your hands at first. Sorry. Okay, you should add flour to your hands at first. It actually does make a difference. So you can just put the flour on your hands, your dough has. So just keep on kneading and kneading. Now, as you notice, this kneading isn't doing very much because my hands are not very opposable with all of this dough on. So you would now notice that I need to add some more flour. A lot more.
No.
Okay?
Not a lot more.
So
nope, that's too much. Did you put your dirty old paw in there?
You want to just knead it like this, okay? Now, if you notice, it will be very probably white, is what I should say. So what you want to do is you want to turn it inside out, and you'll notice that it's sticky in the inside, so you just want to keep on kneading it. So like push down with your hand, then roll it over, then push, then just keep on just kneading it like in this process. And I'm so sorry for all the background noise. Really sorry. So keep on kneading this, and if you notice, this is a harder mixture than general dough, okay? So you want to keep on kneading it till it becomes one big solid, like a ball where it's together, and just like this, okay? So it's gonna also be a little more flaky than your average dough too. And so yeah, so that's my video on how to make the Christmas ornaments. Now you might notice the inside is very sticky. That's really okay. So thanks for watching, guys, and please subscribe to my channel.